back to Homes Decor Designs, your one-stop channel for all things interior and exterior design. Today, we're venturing outdoors to explore the transformative power of a well-designed courtyard privacy fence. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A courtyard privacy fence is a strategic barrier constructed within your courtyard space. It serves a dual purpose, providing a sense of seclusion and privacy while enhancing the overall aesthetic of your outdoor haven. This design element can block unwanted views, create a cozy and intimate environment, and even act as a windbreak. Now, let's delve into the compelling benefits of incorporating a privacy fence into your courtyard design. Here are some of the benefits of choosing to add a privacy fence to courtyard. First, enhanced privacy. This is the most obvious advantage. A well-placed fence shields your courtyard from prying eyes, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor space without feeling observed. Second, increased security. A privacy fence can act as a deterrent to unwanted guests and create a more secure environment for you and your family. Third, improved aesthetics. The right fence can elevate your courtyard's visual appeal, adding a touch of style and definition to your outdoor space. Fourth, noise reduction. A strategically placed fence can significantly reduce noise pollution from neighboring properties or bustling streets. Fifth, wind protection. Particularly in windy areas, a privacy fence can create a more sheltered and comfortable outdoor environment. Sixth, zoning areas. Fences can be used to define different areas within your courtyard, such as a designated relaxation zone, a vegetable garden, or a play area for children. Now that we've established the benefits, let's explore how to integrate a privacy fence seamlessly into your courtyard design. First, material selection. Consider the overall theme of your home and courtyard. Wood offers a timeless charm, while metal fences provide a modern touch. Vinyl offers low maintenance and a variety of styles. Second, height and style. Choose a height that provides the desired level of privacy while maintaining a sense of openness. Opt for solid panels for complete seclusion, or explore slatted designs for a more airy feel. Third, greenery integration. Soften the fence's visual impact by planting climbing vines or incorporating strategically placed planters. Fourth, lighting design. Integrate string lights, lanterns, or uplighting to create a warm and inviting ambience after dark. Fifth, focal points. Add a touch of personality with captivating sculptures, water features, or even a strategically placed outdoor mural. Now, to complete your inspiration, let's ignite your creative spark with these compilation of the top 10 captivating courtyard privacy fence design ideas. 1. The classic wood fence. Timeless and versatile, a wooden fence can be painted to complement your home's exterior or left natural for a rustic charm. 2. Modern metal marvel. Opt for a sleek metal fence with clean lines for a contemporary aesthetic. Black or charcoal gray create a dramatic statement. 3. Natural woven wonders. Introduce a touch of bohemian flair with a woven bamboo fence, perfect for creating a tropical-inspired oasis. 4. Living privacy wall. For a unique and eco-friendly approach, consider planting a tall hedge as your privacy fence. 5. Vertical garden delight. Elevate your courtyard vertical space with a vertical garden integrated into your fence design. 6. Lattice delight. Introduce a touch of whimsy with a lattice fence, perfect for showcasing climbing vines or displaying potted plants. 7. Privacy with a view. Opt for a fence with horizontal slats that allows for a glimpse of the surrounding landscape without sacrificing privacy. 8. The Corten steel statement. Corten steel, with its naturally weathered look, creates a modern and industrial-inspired courtyard ambience. 9. The mixed material masterpiece. Don't be afraid to experiment. Combine wood panels with metal accents or integrate natural elements like stone for a visually captivating design. 10. The pop of color. Inject a dose of personality by painting your privacy fence in a bold and vibrant color that complements your home. Selecting the ideal material for your privacy fence hinges on several factors, including your design preferences, budget, and desired level of maintenance. Here's a breakdown of some popular options. 1. Wood. A classic choice, offering warmth and versatility. Cedar and redwood are naturally resistant to rot and insects, but require periodic staining. Pressure-treated lumber offers a more affordable option but may require regular maintenance. 2. Metal. Modern and sleek, metal fences provide durability and low maintenance. Wrought iron offers a traditional aesthetic, while aluminum offers a lightweight and rust-resistant option. Consider powder coating for added weather resistance and a wider range of color choices. 3. Vinyl. A low-maintenance option available in various styles and colors. Vinyl fences are generally resistant to fading and warping but may not be as visually appealing as other materials. 4. Bamboo. Eco-friendly and budget-friendly, bamboo fences offer a natural aesthetic and quick growth. However, they require regular maintenance and may not be as durable as other options. 5. Living hedges. A beautiful and eco-friendly choice, hedges provide privacy, improve air quality, and offer year-round interest. However, they require regular trimming and may take time to reach their full privacy potential. Courtyard privacy fences present a remarkable opportunity to transform your outdoor space. By considering the benefits, selecting the right material, and implementing creative design elements, you can cultivate a tranquil and visually captivating haven, perfect for relaxation and entertaining. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring design ideas. Let us know in the comments below which courtyard privacy fence design idea sparked your imagination the most. We love to hear from you. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.